Welcome back to Keep It On High. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for staying locked in. Thanks for staying tuned in. This house is beautiful. It's a custom luxury home being done by Capstone Construction, who I'm flying the drone for. I'm shooting each stage. I was out here from when it was trees, and now it's tray tables inside that you can eat your dinner on. Let's do a quick recap. Let's keep it on high. You know what to do. Let's get the drones loaded up, and we finna take off.
Today we're going to be looking at the interior paint. I'm going to get a recap of that, and stay tuned for what's next. If you missed any part of this house build, you can check it out on the series House Build Drone POV. I've captured this whole project with a couple different drones.